Good evening, guys. Uh, we are doing a group project, and these are my group members. Myself, Saket, MIT ID 232044, Master of Data Analytics. Next slide, please. Today we are discussing about presenting PPT about online airline ticketing system. Beginning with introduction. The online airline ticketing system is a web-based application designed to make booking flights easier. It's built to in a three-tier structured for efficiency and scalability, and it's undergone thorough planning and testing to ensure reliability. From the basic bookings to additional services, it caters to a wide range of traveler needs, as we can see. Now, coming to the analysis and design, these are the list of all the use cases and features it will show in the application. The online airline ticketing system includes essential features like flight searches, bookings, upgrades, and cancellations. It also offers price comparison, refund status, trip allocation, ancillary services, secure booking, and customer support, and remote accessibility for users. It will show you the end-to-end experience of the application and all the features. Thank you. Now my friend Sartaj will take over.
Hello guys, this is Sartaj, and as my friend Saket explained about our group assignment, here I'm gonna say some few words about how we use the use case and state chart diagram. The two actors in the use case diagram, mostly like passenger and airline server, they are responsible for ticket booking, canceling, and refunding, rescheduling everything. The state chart diagram shows the nature of the system with significant developments of the application. Uh, the next slide. This is the main use case diagram and state chart diagram. As you can see here, the use case diagram involves two primary actors like passenger and airline server responsible for ticket booking and canceling rescheduling. The state chart diagram describes the system behavior and evolution within the application development phase. The entire workflow processing, providing a comprehensive view of how system progressing and transactions between airline server and passenger. The next slides will be explained by Moin.
Hi guys, I am Mohammad Moin. My MIT ID is MIT 224776. Today I am going to explain about the sequence diagram. Like a sequence diagram refers to an interaction diagram that reflects how the operation is carried out within a specific task. Like sequence diagrams may be object and time oriented. It visualizes the interaction between the interface and the server, demonstrating how data is exchanged between them. Here you can see the sequence diagram for the online air ticketing system. It shows the orders of interaction, which means how objects interact with each other. Like sequence diagrams are created by observing specific scenarios. In these diagrams, we have a list of participants and their actions are observed. Like the vertical lines and horizontal lifelines are created to identify the interactions, and the activation bars on the lifelines are created to show the process messages. Like the passenger, like airline server, user interference, and the object member computer sessions or the interacts with each other. These are the like sequence diagram are used in case of visualization, software designing and collaboration and troubleshooting and more. Here in this diagram, the airline server is connected to the user interference and the customer can log in there and he can transfer the member and then he can authenticate. And if the member want to return the acknowledgement, then he can back to the object and he can send the acknowledgement to the airline server and the airline server can display the acknowledgement. And if the password is wrong, then he need to enter the request detail again. Then he again used to transfer the request, and the object member and the other member will be acknowledge that one. And this process will be continued. And this the sequence analysis of data while booking tickets is shown through sequence diagram. The diagram has different interface like the server interface, user interface, object member, computer, and sessions. Can you show the next slide, please? And here is the class diagram. The difference between the class diagram and sequence diagram is that in class diagram we are representing the attributes and methods. Here we can see simply in the diagram airline server admin is a at here is a main class, and the admin name, administrator address, administrator phone number is the attributes, and the methods are the method type, which is given by the integers type, like that. And the other class is the member, and here there are the member id, name id, booking type, address of the customer, and here the methods are given below. And these are the four different classes like subscription and payment as well, and they are connected through interference. Like class diagram is one type of unified modeling language which can be used for software engineering to represent the relationship and structure in classes. This it helps in illustrating simple and complex data models. This detail chart can highlight at specific codes that are needed to be programmed. Like here, the diagram includes the class, attributes and methods and visibility notation. After identification of methods and attribute relationship between classes is drawn. These class diagrams work as a communication tool through which the stakeholders, project managers, and client can share their views during the project management. Like every classes are interlinked to one another, which the class diagram shows how the airline server, member, subscription, and payment are connected through data. And this our main application focuses on the development of a system that helps in booking tickets, canceling tickets, and so on for the customer while they are traveling. So the next topic will be continued by Alekia.
Hi all, I am Alekia Kachakayala. My MIT ID is 232320. Now I am going to discuss about entity relationship diagram. This is designed to show the entities like server admin, members, subscriptions, payment with attributes categorized as key composite. Multi-valued and derived. This diagram serves as a communication tool between system and users, providing a clear visualization representation of the system structure and data relationships. Next slide, please. In the development of our software application, we have adopted a flexible approach by combining both agile and plan-driven methodologies. This allows us to maintain a balance between adaptability and structure throughout the development lifecycle. Our application follows three-tiered architecture, which efficiently separates the presentation, business logic, and data storage layers. Notably, the graphical user interface has been crafted using HTML and CSS, ensuring a visually appealing and intuitive user experience. That's the way we can use the passenger registration, online flight booking, and login details. And the next slide will be continued by Pavitra. Thank you.
To ensure that every aspect of our application operates smoothly and effectively. By thoroughly testing all features, we can guarantee a seamless user experience and identify and address any potential issues before they impact users. Moreover, security is paramount in our online airline ticketing system. We employ rigorous security measures, including regular security audits, encryption techniques, and robust authentication procedures. These measures are designed to mitigate vulnerabilities and protect user data from unauthorized access or breaches. Ultimately, by implementing comprehensive testing and robust security measures, we not only ensure the functionality and reliability of a system, but also enhance user understanding and confidence in using our online airline ticketing platform. So, now coming to the conclusion, to enhance the security of our application and safeguard sensitive data, it's recommended to implement new security measures. This includes adopting seamless technology solutions aimed at minimizing risks and utilizing advanced tools for future proofing. Additionally, future studies should focus on strengthening the backend database of the application to securely record all login and registration details for future reference and analysis. Thank you.